Welcome to Delft Stack. Today, we will fix Discord freezing when closing Valorant. First, open Discord on your computer and make sure it is running properly in the background. Next, go to the bottom left corner and click the gear icon to open User Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down and click on Voice and Video from the left side menu. This section controls audio and performance options for Discord. Now scroll further down until you find the Debug section. In this area, you will see an option called Debug Logging. Turn this option off by clicking the toggle switch. After disabling it, close Discord completely. Make sure it is not running in the system tray. Then restart Discord again to apply the changes. Once restarted, launch Valorant and use Discord normally. The freezing issue should now be fixed or significantly reduced. If the issue continues, consider updating Discord or reinstalling it to ensure all files are working correctly and up to date on your system. Thanks for watching.